Hello, Joseph.
How's it going?
All right. What are you saying?
Marla.
What is this magnificent beast?
So today we have Ryan's Octavia VRS 180, originally a 180 horsepower 80 UQ engine, I want to say from memory. It's now got a BAM, so it's full BAM conversion, KO4 BAM or KO4 platform injectors, 8mm. The engine's also been rebuilt because he lost all of his intake valves, I think. So yeah, it's quite a basic rebuild with IE rods, ACL bearings, but it's just coming for a proper tune, or proper setup, should I say, 'cause it was tuned, but apparently there's some
Issues.
weird things and issues. So just coming today for custom tune, stage 2, and see what we can do with it, pretty much.
Sweet. So where are we starting?
Bass tune.
At the beginning.
Yeah, then the middle, then the end.
Let's do that then. That's not a bad place to start, is it?
Yeah, so we've run bass tune.
240 something.
Yeah, just under 250 horsepower, just under 300 newton meters. So yeah, we're just going to start feeding some duty into it.
Well, that was with the N75 unplugged, wasn't it, at base,
right, yeah.
strong
So
gate pressure.
basically, it was maintaining like stockish gate pressure until higher up, and then yeah, it was creeping. Got a bit of boost creep going on. It was creeping up to just under a bar.
Okay.
So yeah, we're now going to plug the N75 in.
And then do tuning things.
Oh yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Just, and yeah, just start feeding some duty into it and see what we got.
Awesome. Let's do that. appears that we have run out of the magical jungle juice.
Yeah. So yeah, fuel's kind of there.
Yeah, injectors.
We've started to become knock limited a little bit as well.
Which additional fuel would solve that load or help that? It's hard to say without doing it, I
to a
guess.
degree, yeah. But no, she's done all right. I mean, I was saying to Ryan that the last 20 valve with a BAM on that we had on here, on 282. I said normally 280 is around where we kind of aim.
Yeah.
And we finished up at 279, 398 newton meters. So it's just under
exactly where you plan to be.
So yeah, plans for the future potentially are hybrid turbo and 550 injectors. It's already got an intake pump in it as well. So
Yeah. Okay.
so I've made some recommendations on the unit I use personally. So yeah, hopefully we'll see it back.
So this is forged rods as well.
It's got IE rods.
So we can actually send it a bit.
Yeah. Oh no, you can go. Yeah, full set.
Awesome. Okay. Well, hopefully he pulls his finger out, does that, and we'll make all of the noise.
So no, it's been an alright day to be fair. It's
Yeah,
nice
this
to
has
have
been
a 20
fairly
valve
problem
that's
free, hasn't
actually-
it? To be fair.
Yeah,
so.
no, it's been well behaved, and that's definitely the first 20 valve for a while. So
I said that to the owner, to be fair. Awesome. Well, it's nice to have a good one for a while,
yeah.
and we will continue this maybe.
Yeah.